I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I woke up this morning with every intentions of doing a college day in my life video, and then as soon as I got to campus, I decided not to vlog. I have to be completely honest with you guys, I am not in the best headspace with school right now. Like, everything's fine, nothing major to be worried about. I don't know, these classes I'm taking are just really bugging me. When you are like not okay on like some kind of level, it's really hard to like make videos about that, if that makes sense. But I'm still definitely in the mood to film, so I'm back from class now and I think we're just gonna do a fun little half-day vlog. Also, I'm using a different lens to film this video. Well, actually, I used this lens I think in my past few videos, but let me know if you like it. It's definitely a much wider lens, but I dig it. I like how much space there is and stuff. If you happen to be new to my channel, what's up? My name is Adrienne. I am a senior here at UNC Charlotte. I would love if you hit the subscribe button. I just make new videos every week about lifestyle and stuff like that. And I thought it would be fun to start this video off with kind of just like catching you guys up to speed with stuff I've been loving lately. I don't really have enough stuff to do a whole favorites video, but there are just some things that I have been obsessing over lately that I really want to share with you guys. Also, is it like freezing where you guys live or what? Because here it's like 26 degrees. Like, I'm literally wearing 2 layers of leggings in my own house right now. It's that cold. Alright, so the first things I've been obsessing over lately, and this has kind of been a thing for me since like November, so it's not really that new, but okay, these like basic black cropped tanks, I think I have about like 5 of them, to be honest. Just like super basic, strappy, like pretty thin material. I have been loving. I never really realized how much you could do with just a cute basic cropped black tank until now. Like, you can dress it up, dress it down, you can add jewelry to it. And the biggest way that I style these is with like a fun statement kind of jacket. So I have like a couple of cute denim jackets. Like, this one has cheetah, and then this one's like more of a woolly jacket, and then this also is a really cute kind of like grungier look, but it's like a camo jacket. And yeah, these are so simple and cheap. I think I got these at Target for like 10 bucks each, but you can get them from like Forever 21, H&M, Zara, literally anywhere. I think black and gray are just 2 colors that look good on everyone, no matter like what you really wear it with, honestly. Kind of following along with that very like basic trend, I've also been obsessed with joggers, so I just grabbed a random pair to show you guys. I would totally just wear like one of those crop black tops with like some joggers and then just put a jacket over it and call it a day. Alright, next obsession are new fragrances. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's been forever since I actually added new fragrances to my collection. I actually just recently got these like a couple weeks ago, and they are from Scentbird. If you don't know what Scentbird is, it's pretty much an online subscription service that allows you to choose from like over 400 different perfumes, and instead of getting like the full size, because a full bottle of like nice perfume can actually be really expensive, what you get is a 30-day supply, and it comes in a little bottle just like this, and then you have a little kind of like dispenser, and look at it, it's hot pink, so cute. And then all you do is you just put the little bottle in there, and then you just twist it up and down to use it, and you can literally just like spray it. Oh my gosh, so good. So a few weeks ago I was at, I think, Nordstrom, and I was just smelling perfumes, and I smelled this one and I could not stop thinking about it. So when they had it on their website, I was so excited. But this one is Flora by Gucci, and you guys, it's so hard to explain like the smell of this because I'm not a florally person, but it has tuberose, violet leaf, orange blossom, and cedar in it. Oh my gosh, I could literally spray this all day. And then I also have 2 others. This one is Jason Wu, and this one is English Laundry. So this one is much more of a fresh scent, and then the Jason Wu is more of like a jasmine-y musk kind of smell. These are so convenient because what I do is usually just have one kind of in my backpack, I keep one in my car, and then just like one here in my bedroom. And it's so much easier than having to like haul around a big bottle of perfume, and it's a lot more affordable too. And if you're the type of person that kind of takes a little bit longer to go through perfume, it's not the kind of subscription service that you constantly have to be ordering it every month. If you want, you can pause your membership just so that you have the chance to get caught up on your perfume, and then you can resume it the next month. And also, I have a coupon. If you guys want to try out Scentbird, you can actually get your first month for 30% off, which makes one of these perfumes only $10. I'm going to put links to all 3 of these fragrances in the description if you want to check them out. And also, can we just talk about how cute the little containers are? I already have a white Scentbird that I got like last summer, and when I opened these, when I got them in the mail, I was shook because I've literally never seen any kind of perfume holder that's actually this gorgeous. Alright, kind of continuing along the beauty train, I have found a nail polish that I am obsessed with, and I'm embarrassed right now because my nails look so jank. I need to redo them. But okay, something I have been so proud of myself for is the fact that like my nails are kind of grown out now. Like they are actually super freaking long. I don't understand how. And another thing I've been doing is just doing my nails at home instead of the nail salon. I feel like it's, I mean, like sometimes it can be annoying to do your own nails, but I can just do them while laying in bed. I can change the color whenever I want. I don't have to pay. It's just, it's all around better. And I have been looking for kind of a sheer pink toned color, and I found it. And this is OPI's Bubble Bath. And it's funny because when I bought this, I like didn't even look at the name, and then when I got home I was like, oh, Bubble Bath. And I feel like Bubble Bath is like a super hyped up nail polish. So if you guys are looking for a good, I don't have a nail that's not chipped. This is embarrassing, but like, do you guys see this? You see how it's like kind of sheer but kind of not? I don't know, I love it. And then also, I think in almost every video I get some kind of question about what highlighter I'm using, and I honestly don't really have much highlighter on today. You know what? Let's put some on. So if there was like one makeup product that I could use for the rest of my life, it might be this. Either this or the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. But I feel like highlighter just has a way of making you look bomb. So this is the IT Cosmetics Hello Light in Radiance. And I just take a little bit, tap it on my brush. I like to use kind of like a tapered brush. Is that the right word? I don't know. I usually just like put a little bit on my cheekbone. And then the place that like really gets you, I feel like, is just right here on your nose. Just like a little bit. And then also, if you are in the small lip gang like me, if you just like put a little bit right here, it makes your lips look like so much more plump, I feel like. Maybe with a little bit lip gloss on too, but like, I don't know, I dig it. I want to say that IT Cosmetics one is about $30, but if you're looking for a cheaper alternative, you can use like any kind of champagne or nudish toned shimmery eyeshadow as a highlighter. I actually sometimes do use my shimmery eyeshadows just as a little bit of highlighter if I want to switch up my routine and just do something different. So just because it's not officially like a highlighter doesn't mean you can't just test it out. Just make sure you have some kind of like base on under so that it has like something to actually stick to and you don't just have like glitter all over your face. Alright, those are the little favorites that I just wanted to share with you. What time is it now? It is 4:25, and yeah, this just feels like so much more chill and relaxed versus me feeling like I have to like find content for a video, you know what I mean? Like sometimes I feel like when I film College Day in My Life, it's like I love them and stuff, but sometimes it can be a little stressful to like make sure I'm like getting enough footage. But okay, so another favorite of mine has been like evening walks with Cleo. It has been so mother cold out, but I will always find time every single day to take Cleo on like a good like 45-minute long walk. I always just feel so much more clear-headed after I walk Cleo for a long time, and I usually try and like not be on my phone. I just put my music in and I walk, and sometimes I won't even bring music honestly, but a lot of time I do have to have music or else I'm just bored. So I think I'm gonna just set you guys up and do a little time lapse of me getting this shit in order, and then after I'm gonna reward myself and make a really cozy meal. Okay, I am gonna show you guys how I make my all-time favorite comfort food. So when I think of comfort food, I don't think of like your typical soup and stuff like that. I love Asian food so much. So I think of more of like a warm Asian meal, to be honest. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I made. Okay, so last night Emily came over and we made fun little ramen bowls. They were really good. I'll insert a picture here. And that was fun, and I saved it because I thought I wanted to have like ramen again tonight, and I honestly don't want to. So what I'm gonna do is just drain most of the like ramen liquid that I have in here, and then I'm going to put the noodles in a pan, and I'm going to like stir fry them in this stir fry sauce. And to make it even better, I'm going to add in some of this shrimp that I got just like at Harris Teeter by the pound. It's really good. I love getting it fresh. And then I'm gonna cook an egg and just plop it right on top, and it's gonna be really good and warm and cozy, and I'll show you guys how it ends up turning out. So it is the next day. I look like a marshmallow because it's so cold out. I'm sitting here at the gas station right now. It's like 9 AM and does anyone else just have like a pet peeve of when people litter? Like, I think it's so unnecessary and trashy. Like, come on, it's 2019. Like, littering is not cute or fun. And this guy like walked out and he like completely just like took the wrapper of his cigarettes like and just flew it on the ground. And I literally went like this. And he saw me and he just still kept walking like nothing was wrong with it. Anyways, what the heck is up? It's Friday. I love Fridays now because I just don't have class. It's a 4-day weekend. You guys already know. I am actually having like a little photo shoot this afternoon. It's been a long time since I had like any kind of photos taken of me, like actual photos. So we're gonna do that this afternoon. But I have like 2 different packages. I have one at FedEx and I have one at UPS. And I had them held there because I'm not even kidding you, like my FedEx and UPS drops off at like 10 p.m. And I probably won't be home tonight at 10 p.m. So I figured I might as well just have them held so I can like go pick them up. But yeah, that's what I have going on this morning. I'll definitely try and like vlog when I get to Target because I love Target vlogs. I'm back home now and I just made a smoothie. Oh my gosh, so good. I love smoothies, but whenever I make them with chia seeds, I swear so much stuff just gets stuck on my teeth. It's so annoying. All right, so I'm back from running my little errands and I ended up getting a couple pieces of clothes while I was out. Instead of showing you the packages and like the clothes and stuff I got today, I think I'm just gonna film a haul tomorrow because I just realized it's been such a long time since I've done a haul. But as far as the rest of my day goes, I'm actually just gonna go ahead and go work out. I need to fix my nails because they just look really ratchet. I just realized that I never came on and told you guys about like what happened yesterday that made me kind of like in a bland mood as far as school goes. So as you guys know, this semester I'm just taking 2 classes. One of them is an econ class for my econ minor, and then the other one is just a general class that every business major that's a, you know, graduating senior has to take. Obviously there are a lot of graduating seniors at my school, so they have tons of different professors teaching this exact course, and each professor obviously has their own style. They don't have to assign the same schoolwork or anything like that. So I told you guys that I was having like difficulty on this specific assignment that we have every single week, and last week I just like tried it so many times and I just couldn't figure it out, so I took a 0. And then once again this week, like I kept trying and I really couldn't figure it out. So what I did was I woke up super early and I went to her office hours to try and get help. And I went there and like she couldn't even figure it out. Like we sat there and she could not even do the assignment herself, which is just really annoying that like a professor would assign students something that they can't even figure it out. So it's kind of like an online survey type of quiz, and she went through it, and I'm not kidding you guys, she scored like a 55 on it. There's a lot of other things I want to say, but I'm just not going to because this is the internet. It's just really disappointing that I'm taking a professor that is assigning work that she can't even figure out how to do. I think it's also just really frustrating because like I pay 100% of school myself, so it's like I'm literally sitting here just paying for a class in which the professor doesn't even understand what they're teaching. But yeah, when stuff like that happens, it kind of kills my vibe, and it's hard to like turn on the camera on campus when I'm like actually really frustrated. Like I was so frustrated yesterday. But yeah, that's my little story. I just realized I never told you guys, so hopefully it makes a little more sense now as to why I haven't really been in like the school vlogging mood. Let me know what type of other content you want to see from me this semester. I love my vlogs, but I also like doing other videos too. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, and I love you guys. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.